Hey folks, Jim with RV with the Tanners. Hey, today I'm going to talk about a neat device that DJI has released. It's called the DJI OSMO. I'm not going to actually talk about the camera itself because there's a lot of videos on that. What I'm going to talk about is the ability to put it on like a selfie stick and get it away from your body. The way it comes from DJI is that they include this little case for it, and it's pretty cool. It just sits inside and snap it, and then the Osmos comes out. But the problem with that is because the case is so small, you can't really put a connector on the bottom here in order to put it on a selfie stick, because then it will go back into the case. Now DJI says they're going to sell some accessories in the future. One of them is a base that goes on the bottom that enables it with Wi-Fi, but again, that's going to probably stop it from going in here. Perhaps it'll slip in and out. I've been waiting about a month and they haven't released it yet, or it's been out of stock. So I decided to go ahead and do something on my own. So again, what I want to do is be able to get this a little bit further away than just my arm's length. So if I want to reach up above a crowd or reach further out and get more perspective, I can't do that the way that it comes, and there's really no accessory in order to do that. So when I created this video today, it's Christmas time, and I've decided to go out in the garage and pick out a little bit of foam. Just came from one of the packages that we had bought some presents for. And then I've got a bunch of little devices like this. So this is basically for your camera if you're going to be doing selfies with cameras. And this one slides in and out like this. But the way that I've done it on mine is I've taken this on a selfie stick. So this is also for if you were doing a blog on like a handheld camera instead of an actual DSLR or something. So it slides in and out, and it holds like a cell phone for blogging. So what I decided to do is I've used that foam, and I went out and I created just a little template for it. And I cut it out, and the concept here is this template now is going to rest inside here, and then I'm going to put the DJI inside that. So I put the DJI in, like so. Now it's inside. I take the existing device, or my selfie stick, put it in, and then I tighten it down just a little. And the nice thing about this is I still have full control of all the panel, the interface, the little camera and display that comes with the selfie or with the DJI Osmos. But now, voila, I can get it way out there and get it high in the air. I can bring it in if I want to do something closer, but it gives me more flexibility in order to film things that aren't necessarily just an arm's length away. Total cost, $0. I just went out in my garage and found some extra foam. If you don't have any foam like that, I'm sure maybe a shipping company around you, UPS, FedEx, can sell you a little bit, but look in your garage, you probably might surprise yourself and have something like this. Really cool way to enable to get a different usage model out of this DJI OSMO Pocket. If you like this, hit the subscribe button and the like button. I appreciate it. If you have any questions, put them in the comments below. Thanks for watching. Bye. So if you haven't done so yet, please remember to hit the subscribe button and then hit the little bell so that it reminds you when we post new videos.